So here is the side of the Parliament building, and Syntagma Square is out there in front of the Parliament building. So this whole area is a lot of embassies and government buildings and things like that. So I'm gonna take a walk around here and see what it's like. Riot police or something on call, on standby, just in case something goes down. I don't know. Oh, here is Academias. So you see there's a lot of nice clothing shops, and the buildings in here are older, bigger, impressive kind of buildings. So if you come to Athens and you want to spend some money and you don't want to stay in a hotel, this is a good area to rent an Airbnb. And I've eaten in this pizza place before. It's pretty good, actually. So there's a lot of nice cafes and restaurants around here. So some nice buildings around here. Definitely nicer than the area I'm staying in, that's for sure. But way more expensive also. So depends what you want, right? There's a nice bakery here on the corner. Maybe I'll pop in there. And there's kind of this little pedestrian walkway has all these really nice restaurants over here. So there's a little park over here, a nice bakery over here, and let's take a walk through this little walkway. I've had a coffee in this place. Really busy all the time, and so it's a nice scene, and you have some shade, so you're not getting beamed on by the sun all the time. I hear mostly Greek being spoken over there, so I don't think it's there's a lot of tourists hanging out here. Oh yeah, it's really hilly over here. Forgot about that. So yeah, this is what the area looks like. There's more to it, but probably not gonna walk it all. That's a nice building. So that's my little video on Kolonaki in Athens. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a message, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you for watching.